Welcome to this overview. In this overview, we would show you how you can import existing database of resumes to the eScreener. eScreener supports 4 different formats for import. Number 1, you can import directly from Outlook Express. Number 2, you can import from Outlook. Number 3, you can import using a zip file. And number 4, you can import resumes from your mail account, for example, your email account in Gmail. Let's discuss first 3 options. Here is the list of steps required to do bulk import of resumes. Number 1, map network drive to eScreener. This is just a one-time setup. Number 2, locate file containing resumes, that is resumes in Outlook Express, resumes in Outlook folder, resumes in zip file. Number 3, upload resumes to eScreener. And number 4, schedule import. Now let's discuss each step in details. First step is mapping network drive to eScreener. First we need to make sure that FTP, that is File Transfer Protocol, is set up in your Windows Explorer. We can do that by going to Control Panel and clicking on Internet Options. On the Internet Properties window, click on Advanced tab. Scroll down to Browsing section and make sure Enable FTP Folder View is checked on. If it is not, check it to Enable FTP. Scroll further down and make sure Use Passive FTP is also checked on. If not, enable it and click it on. Next step is to map a network drive to eScreener using FTP. To do that, go to Windows Explorer, click on Map Network Drive. Click on Sign up online or connect to a network server. Click Next. Again click Next. Enter address as ftp://www.escreener.co.in. Disable logon anonymously by unchecking the checkbox. Click Next. Enter name eScreener upload. Click Finish. Now it opens a window of network drive. It asks for a user ID and password. Enter user ID and password that you use for logging into eScreener. Now your network drive to eScreener is mapped. This is just one-time setup, as your PC would remember this setting. Moving on to point 2 in our list, now we need to locate files that have resumes that you want to upload to eScreener. Let's say you have a folder in Outlook Express that you want to upload. Go to your Outlook Express, create a folder and copy all the messages containing resumes that you want to upload to that folder. Here I have created a folder temp2 that have some messages having resumes which I want to upload. Each folder in Outlook Express is stored as a file. To see file and location for your folder, simply right-click on the folder and it will show you the name and location. Close Outlook Express. Go to Windows Explorer, browse to that directory. And copy the desired file. Now go to Mapped Drive for eScreener. and do a paste there. You will see your folder file is now been copied. Your PC is actually uploading this folder to eScreener server. Now let's say you have your emails in Outlook that you want to upload. Go to Outlook, copy the mails to a folder. Here I have created a new folder, resumes to upload, and copied the mails having resumes to this folder. Select that folder and go to File menu. Click on Import and Export. Select Export to a file and click on Next. Select Personal Folder File and click Next. Select the folder. Here we would select Resumes to upload and click on Next. Browse the location where you want to save this file and click on Finish. Click on No Encryption. Click OK. Now if you browse the location, you will see a file has been created there, and copy that file. Close Outlook. Go to eScreener mapped drive. And paste this file there. This will upload the file to eScreener server. Now let's consider a scenario where you have a zip file containing resumes. In this directory I have few resumes. I have created zip file containing all these resumes. To upload these resumes, simply copy this zip file and paste to eScreener mapped drive to upload these resumes to server. So far we have mapped network drive, located files containing resumes and uploaded them to eScreener server. We now need to tell eScreener that it can start processing their files. To do so, log into eScreener and you would see a bulk upload link in the quick link section. Click on that. It opens a window. Here you can select in which job posting you want to add these resumes. If you don't want to add these resumes for a specific job post, you can select Submit Job without applying for a specific job. In the bulk resume drop down, it would show the file you have uploaded. Select the file and click on Submit. If you are uploading multiple files, you would need to submit each file separately. You can view status of processing on the same page. Once processing is done, you would see the details about it in this section and resumes would appear in your eScreener repository. So far we have shown you how you can upload resumes from Outlook Express, Outlook or zip file. In this tutorial we have discussed various ways using which you can import your existing resume database to eScreener. Thus, eScreener provides multiple ways for seamless and convenient migration to new system.